Unit 1, Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. These are the 5 subunits, and in this video we will be covering the third subunit, that is 1.3, Purpose. The objective of this unit is to apply AI in solving the real world issues. So in this we will be studying about the Sustainable Development Goals and how AI can be used to achieve those goals. So artificial intelligence is frequently portrayed in apocalyptic terms, basically as a technology that will take over our jobs or even our lives, or at least make human beings a slave to technology. But what if AI could also become a valuable tool in worldwide efforts to achieve goals for our society? In 2015, 193 countries of the world agreed to the United Nations 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development to set up goals for the betterment of the world. These countries identified 17 global goals to end poverty, protect the planet, and ensure peace and prosperity for people, now and in the future as well. Now, these 17 Sustainable Development Goals, also known as SDGs, are defined for joint global cooperation between the developed and developing countries. In this video, we will discuss how AI can be an effective tool in accomplishing almost all of these SDGs. From creating the perfect crop to early stage prognosis of diseases to inclusive quality education for all, AI can actually help in solving global internally developed Millennium Sustainable Development Goals. The first Sustainable Development Goal is no poverty. The aim is to end poverty in all its forms everywhere. So AI can help farmers analyze a variety of things in real time, such as weather conditions, temperature, water usage, or soil conditions collected from their farms to make informed decisions. Poverty and lack of education go hand in hand. So AI can improve education levels, both access and quality, in poor areas. Intelligent chatbots as teachers for students without access to other forms of schooling are not very far off. This AI teacher could guide students through a syllabus and assess the learning levels of individual students using real-time analytics. AI technology helps in detecting diseases in plants, pests, and poor plant nutrition on the farms, in preventing over application of herbicides and excessive toxins that find their way in our food, and in creating seasonal forecasting models to improve agricultural accuracy and predict upcoming weather patterns months in advance. The second SDG is Zero Hunger, and the objective is to end hunger, achieve food security and improved nutrition, and promote sustainable agriculture. So AI technology can help grow seeds with right genetic makeup that generate the highest yield, have most nutrition, and are largely disease resistant. At present, a large quantity of the world's food ends up in trash. So AI can separate food more specifically as good and bad. It can evaluate food to determine the best way to use it. For example, a tomato might not be good enough to make it to the salad plate, but it would be perfect to use it in the ketchup or soup. Rather than spray and pray approach to herbicide application, AI can be used to distinguish between a weed and a sprout of a plant based on learning from more than a million images of young plants. When it identifies a weed, it can spray on it directly. This can cut losses up to 90%. AI can help identify the areas which are at increased risk of food shortages due to lack of water, rising food prices, and crop failure. Such a system has already been deployed in Colombia to warn the farmers of a potential drought and suggest them to skip the planting season. The third SDG is good health and well-being, and the objective is to ensure healthy lives and promote well-being for all ages. So AI can improve healthcare by fostering preventive medicine and new drug discovery. It can also help by identifying specific treatment for patients. AI can pull together patient insights leading to a predictive analysis, and wearable healthcare technology using AI helps serve patients better. Algorithm that uses AI like Fitbits and smartwatches can analyze health data and the underlying patterns to alert the users and their healthcare providers on potential health risks in future. The fourth SDG is quality education, and the goal is to ensure inclusive and equitable quality education and promote lifelong learning. With the introduction of AI, teachers can offer personalized assistance to each student based on their learning needs and the kind of learners they are, like text, audio, video, or action-oriented study material. AI can customize homework assignments as well as final exams, ensuring that students get the best possible personalized attention. Through AI-powered apps, students are targeted, customized, and can get real-time response from their teachers. AI can produce smart content of superior quality, which includes virtual content like video conferencing and video lectures. The next SDG is gender equality, and the objective is to achieve gender equality and empower all women and girls. Artificial intelligence can be used to address the gender pay gap which exists in most places. AI can remove discrepancies in a more sustainable way that doesn't disadvantage either gender. Using machine learning algorithms, they are able to merge and analyze the data together, providing expertise. AI programs can be designed to monitor internal communications such as company documents, emails, and chats, and flag inappropriate content and bring it to the notice of the employers. However, some AI experts say that such technology has some challenges, such as protection of data privacy, and that AI can only look for certain triggers but cannot pick up on broader cultural or unique interpersonal dynamics. The next SDG is clean water and sanitation, and the objective is to ensure availability and sustainable management of water and sanitation for all. AI can be used for detecting any dangerous bacteria and harmful particles in water. A prototype device was made that uses pattern recognition and machine learning to monitor and inspect water quality. The application also marks the contaminated sites on a map. Artificial intelligence can be used for more effective water treatment processes as well as for detecting problems and assuring an early allocation of efforts. The next SDG is affordable and clean energy, and the objective is to ensure access to affordable, reliable, sustainable, and modern energy for all. The energy grid can be interconnected with IoT devices and sensors to collect large amount of data and interpret it to make sense. When combined with the power of AI, this data can give new insights to the grid operators for better control over operations by offering flexibility to the energy suppliers to smartly adjust supply with demand. Using AI, we can do integration of microgrids and manage distributed energies. AI can manage irregularity in the energy sector and also offer improved safety. AI-powered systems can provide insights into energy consumption by analyzing data on energy collection. The next SDG is decent work and economic growth, and the objective is to promote sustained, inclusive, and sustainable economic growth, full and productive employment, and decent work for all. There is a large gap between the jobs and skills available. AI bridge this gap between the desired and delivered skills through tailored learning. AI can analyze data to identify people in need of loan or those who are unable to access it. AI can also identify good and bad debaters based on previous transaction data. By 2030, job landscape will look vastly different from today as the economy will witness profound evolution or disruption through digital technology. AI technology could create job opportunities for highly skilled workers. The next is industry, innovation and infrastructure, and the objective is to develop quality, reliable, sustainable and resilient infrastructure to support economic development and human well-being with focus on affordable and equitable access for all. AI is being used to identify problems with structures or equipment before they cause critical systems failure. Organizations can even use AI to detect cracks or faults in design or concrete or broader issues in the structure. Using AI, it can learn and understand to identify the typical behavior of other users of car, such as direction, distance and speed of approach, and take appropriate steps to avoid it. AI can also be used for waste management. Intelligent trash can equipped with AI programs, RFID tags, IoT sensors are revolutionary concepts in the waste management sector. AI-powered smart bins can think for themselves while sorting and sending garbage. When garbage is put into the bin, it uses sensors to study trash and decide by itself what needs to be done with the garbage. It sends the garbage to the appropriate disposal system, be it a dumping ground or a recycling factor. The next SDG is reduced inequalities, and the objective is to reduce inequality within and among countries. Growing inequality is a challenge for developed and developing countries alike. So tailored technology products and services to serve the needs of low income and vulnerable groups can be a significant move to address inequalities. AI can create mobile tariffs and service bundles focused on increasing affordability. AI-based platforms can encourage participation and inclusive engagement on social networking platforms. AI programs can provide psychological support to people who have experienced shock and trauma, whether physically or emotionally. Chatbots can help organizations connect and respond to displaced people. Companies or governments can use machine learning to predict good candidates to hire or the likelihood of repeat offenses to decide on sentencing, which in turn would reduce individual biases. By providing navigational assistance via smartphone, object recognition, and reading text in any language, converting handwritten or printed text into digital text so that it can be spoken aloud, using text-to-speech converters, AI can make life easier even for the visually impaired people. The next SDG is sustainable cities and communities, and the objective is to make cities and human settlements safe, resilient and sustainable. Smart cities would give many benefits to society, including enhanced opportunities for education, improved skills and hence job prospects, better access to health care and cleaner drinking water. AI technologies can help cities utilize and allocate existing assets more effectively and efficiently. AI can help in managing urban governance, for example, when green spaces are converted into built-up structures. Now, AI system can also look for satellite images to quickly reveal how the city development aligns with original planning and zoning layouts, or which communities are most prone to flooding or natural disasters. AI systems can detect feasibility of upscaling activities to other locations or cities, consider the sustainability of the project and how the hardware or equipment may be used during and after it has been completed. The next SDG is responsible consumption and production, and the objective is achieving economic growth and sustainable development by changing the way we produce and consume goods and revenues. So here the focus is to do more with less, that is, use minimum resources and create least wastage. So by studying the consumer behavior through AI, business models can be designed to optimize consumption and reduce wastage. Smart refrigerators equipped with sensors and vision cameras accessible through smartphone apps allow users to check their contents while shopping. Similarly, smart buildings and offices can help users optimize their energy consumption. Now, use of RFID. What is the full form of RFID? Radio Frequency Identification Device, and other IoT sensors can provide sophisticated tracking of materials to optimize planning and movement of the material in the supply chain. AI can improve the efficiency of materials by simplifying the processes and avoiding waste that comes with mass production. SDG number 13 is climate action, and the objective is take urgent actions to combat climate change and its impact. So artificial intelligence can help us understand basically the current climate situation, draw patterns and predict future weather events to create new products and services to minimize human impact on environment. Now, by analyzing data from sensors and monitors, machines can spot patterns quickly, accurately and automatically. Artificial intelligence can help climate researchers and innovators to test theories and solutions, as well as the what-if scenarios that involve environment-friendly solutions. Artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms can help curate products and services that are easy to adopt. And using AI and machine learning algorithms, we can assess the duration and severity of any catastrophic events. The SDG number 14 is life below water. The objective is to protect the world's oceans, their temperature, chemistry, currents, and life-driven global system that make the earth habitable for humankind. With the advancement in satellite imagery and machine learning, we are able to analyze massive amount of data to protect life underwater. Intelligent systems using motion sensors, GPS and cameras can increase accountability in the fishing industry by detecting anomalies and make it more efficient for regulators and boat owners to review footage. Tracking and monitoring of species will be easier and efficient with digital tools like facial or species recognition software. AI can also be used in ocean cleaning. Satellite imaging can be used to detect polluted patches. Sensors can be used to identify the type of pollution like oil spills, plastic, etc. And using smart system, this waste can be suitably treated or recycled. SDG number 15 is life on land, and the objective is to protect, restore and promote sustainable use of terrestrial ecosystems, ecologically manage forests, combat desertification, halt and reverse land degradation, and halt biodiversity loss. So AI can trace the pattern of climate or anthropogenic events eventually leading to wildfire. AI algorithms can help in early detection, help firefighters combat blazes and aid in recovery. AI can be used to track deforestation in real time in remote communities. Forests could be destroyed by weather events, illegally cut for lumber, firewood, or most commonly cleared to make way for agriculture. So, artificial intelligence and machine learning methods need to be used to figure out which of these causes is at play and what is their individual impact. AI-based methods have got some initial success in combating poachers. This method uses image classification and object detection to find animals and poachers on infrared video captured by a drone. Artificial intelligence can be deployed to catch wildlife poachers. SDG number 16 is peace, justice, and strong institutions. The objective is to promote peaceful and inclusive societies for sustainable development, provide access to justice for all, and build effective, accountable, and inclusive institutions at all levels. So AI can be used to address the increasing risk of cyber attacks. Products with adaptive algorithms can study large data sets to better anticipate and predict threats, learn from previous attacks to give real-time response to attacks. AI deployment in process such as tax collection, welfare distribution, and designation of land rights, etc., where information is recorded electronically on a distributed ledger technology such as blockchain. App-based platforms and chatbots can help citizens connect and engage with governments and provide transparency and better accountability of government. Access to information, contacting local politicians, tracing people, companies, and assets across the globe are a few things that can be achieved with AI. SDG number 17, that is the last SDG, is partnerships for the goals, and it aims at renewed partnership across governments, civil society, private sector, the United Nations system, and other actors. So AI can enable partnerships to plant, implement, manage, and improve initiatives to meet the individual needs of partners around the globe. IoT and AI will enable measurement and tracking of progress towards the goals, which is crucial for improved decision making. Although a lot remains to be done, AI has already been applied for non-commercial purposes by various companies and organizations. Planet Labs, an Earth imaging Silicon Valley startup, partnered with Paul Allen, the co-founder of Microsoft, a new philanthropist and leading research scientist, to create a map of shallow water coral reefs by applying object detection to satellite imagery in correlation to geospatial data. The map is used to monitor reef ecosystems that are under threat. At Thorn, an international anti-human trafficking non-profit organization, a combination of computer vision, NLP, and big data is being used to identify victims of sexual exploitation on the internet. In the end, there are some challenges before AI. So scaling up AI use for social good will require overcoming some significant bottlenecks like data accessibility, as in many cases such data capturing may not be commercially viable or data may be unstructured. AI capabilities need to be continuously improved, but availability of talent with high level expertise in AI is short in supply. So this was all about the subunit 1.3 purpose. Thank you.